Welcome to the demo video of clevercloud. First, let's install the package using the command line and pip install. Then you can use any IDE of your choice. I choose to use JupyterLab. Here's the syntax to import the package and relevant functions. The function clevercling takes Panda series as an input. Here is a list of reviews on Disney. As you can see, there are numbers that might be typos and words that express the same meaning but in different parts of speech. We first need to convert the data type to Panda series and then conduct text preprocessing. First, we're going to use our clevercling function to remove useless numbers and convert the words to lower cases. Then, we're going to use cleverlamstem function to perform stemming and lemmatization. As you can see here, the word beautiful has been lemmatized to beauty. Crying has been lemmatized to cry. Really has been lemmatized to real. The word maximum becomes its root, maxim. As we are analyzing reviews about Disney, it might not be meaningful to include the word Disney itself in the word cloud. So we add the word Disney to a list of most frequent English stop words. Now we have Disney on the list. Finally, let's generate our clever word cloud. The inputs are our preprocessed text, our list of customized stop words, and the maximum number of words included in the word cloud. All the words here are relevant and meaningful.